Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today's tutorial is very special because we are going to make this wall hanging with This is the final look of this beautiful wall hanging. Nobody can make out that this is from the old and empty tea light which I have used in Diwali, and I hope this video has given you some idea to reuse your old empty tea lights. And I've already made one more video on empty tea light that is also on my YouTube channel, so you can go and check out. And if you have tried this DIY, I would love to see your work as well, so you can share it on my Instagram handle, that is DiywithKanchan. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this one, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel, and if you are new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.